Introduction to pointers. This is one of the most powerful concepts in C programming language. So let us start with a simple example and let us get familiar with the various operators. Hash include stdio.h, int main, and then let us have a variable int x, and let us initialize it to a value of 5. So this is a normal integer type variable. This is an integer type variable. Now when we are dealing with pointers, basically we are dealing with variables that store the address of another variable. So pointers are variables that stores the address of another variable. For example, let's say I have int pointer ptr. So we have defined this to be int pointer ptr, and then ptr is equal to $x. So let's look at this notation first. This one is a pointer type variable. This is a pointer type variable. This is not a normal integer variable. This is a pointer type variable, and the pointer type variable will store an address of another variable. And then we have $x. So this ampersand symbol, this stands for address of operator. And what this line means is that ptr will store the address of integer variable x. ptr will store the address of the integer variable x. Next, we want to get hold of the display. So printf the value of x is %d. This is something that is known to us. Printf the address of x is %u. U is unsigned integer, and here we see that ptr is holding the address of x. Therefore we write the variable as ptr, and then in that address the number 5 is present. So the other way to get hold of the value 5 is via this form. The value present in this address is %d, and then what is the value present in this address? We write it as pointer ptr, star ptr. So this star here, this is the value at operator. And then that's it. This is the end of the program. So we can terminate our program here, return 0. Now let's see what happens when we execute this program. Printf, this will print the value of x. Second printf, let me put a new line character, again another new line character here. So the second printf, this will print the address that has been assigned to x by this compiler in the RAM. And the third printf will be what is the value present in this address. Obviously the value present in this address will be the value of x only. So basically pointer ptr, the star ptr, and x, they are the one and same. Let me go and execute this program. Execute. Okay, let's see. The value present, the value of x is 5. The address of x is this large number, and this is a number that has been allocated by the compiler at runtime, and the value present in this address is 5. So printf statements, the first one and the third one, they are one and the same because they are referring to the same value, that is the value present in that address. Now observe that if I re-execute this program, if I re-execute, just make a note of this number. Now let me re-execute it. This has changed. So the RAM has now, when we have compiled and then executed this program, the RAM location is different from the one that was previously allocated. If I execute it once again some other location, execute it again some other location.